Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in not in today's newspaper of Wednesday, November the 23rd, 2022. No, it's not in today's newspaper, but in the yesterday's edition, Tuesday, November the 22nd, 2022. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no extra no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. And I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. And now it's time for the Tectonic. Yes, the last puzzle for today is a Tectonic with a 1-star. In Dutch they call it Cijferblok. In English, in Japanese, Suguru. Alright, and this will be number 5528. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because it's indicated with 1-star. And for 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1-star, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I cannot see any single boxes. Second question, dual boxes. Do we see here dual boxes here? I cannot see any dual boxes. Triple boxes then. I see 2 triple boxes. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 or a 2. I do not know in which order. Oh well, we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. And when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4. Here, also a triple box, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Alright, triple box, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? Next question, quadra box. Cannot see any quadra boxes. So the next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. We have here a T shape upside down. When you see the T shape, well, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box, okay. But also that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. The T shape, do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Well, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, rotate it. So this box has the same number as that box. And do we have more other shapes? No, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3. Yeah, only 3. You put this box. Yeah, only 3 that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 4, this box can be a 5, so the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and 5, 4 and 5, so 1 is left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here or there, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers are left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Oh, wait. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I fill a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here. 1 box left for the 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 3, those 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes and there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Then this box can be a 3, that box can also not be a 3, and this box can be a 3. So 3 in this W area shape could be here, could be there. That means in this area, this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 3, but also that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Definitely a 1 star. Do you think so? Do you like this? 2 thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Thursday. New day, new puzzles. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.